We're about to catch an unexpected weather window. We have to wait a few hours for the tides, so I figured I'd get a little workout in first.
Okay, I just started filming, so you'll need to start over.
I got another leg. I'm not good on this leg though. I'm not as balanced.
It wasn't long before it was time to weigh anchor. Look at him there. What a sweet captain to get it all ready for me. I'll have to give him a little kiss later to say thank you. And we're off, headed towards the inlet for a 3-day and night passage. Are you ready? Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
We've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us on our next adventure.
Oh, I've been wrong.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
This is day one of our passage from Florida to the Chesapeake. We didn't think we'd get so lucky to have a weather window to go offshore, but we did. We got lucky. So we thought originally we'd have to take the ICW, which would take us a lot longer to get to the Chesapeake because it's very windy and lots of boat traffic. But we got this beautiful weather window that's basically south to southeast winds, very light, no northerly wind component, which is great because when you're traveling from the south to the northeast, if you have a northerly wind component, it can make the seas really rough. You're like beating into it. It's really, really calm, as you can see. So calm that we got our laundry hanging up. Still feeling a little seasick, even though it's very calm. It's just something that comes with sailing, and probably by the time we all start feeling better, our trip will be over. Making 6.5 knots, and there are some other boats out here, which is cool. So I just kind of lay here on the helm chair. I lay out along it with a pillow, and that kind of helps laying flat with the seasickness, although it's not really working this time. Before long, the sunset turned to night. Nighttime can be a bit freaky, especially when squalls are predicted like tonight. We are on the morning of day 2 from our passage from Florida to Maryland. I got up here at about 4:30, and now it's 8 o'clock. So I'm trying to let Jeremiah sleep a little bit longer. He didn't get to sleep too much last night because we were fighting squalls, so he was up and down, helping me adjust the sails. Just made some breakfast, and I'm now finally brushing my teeth. So day 1's kind of like a wash for this boat. You know, we're all usually feeling a little bit queasy, kind of seasick, no shower, still in the same clothes. So day 2, I'm definitely feeling a lot less seasickness, and I'm brushing my teeth. Feeling a little better?
Yeah, I can see. I can kind of move that thing like this. It's nothing in front of us.
Oh, are you on watch?
Yeah, I'm sure that's what.
Good boy. Wanna go brush your teeth?
No.
Huh. He likes day 1. He doesn't have to brush his teeth. Morning is my favorite part of the day. I usually get a little me time, then I get some one-on-one time with our little guy while the captain gets some rest. Hopefully Reese remembers these little moments. I know I sure will.
Freaking thunderstorms popping up everywhere, man. We've been out trying to outflank them, but they're attracted to us for some reason.
Squalls or thunderstorms can be a little unnerving. Often, you can avoid them by changing course. Other times, they chase you down. Keep in mind, these things move way faster than a sailboat, so sometimes you're a sitting duck, like this time. Fortunately, this one was just a nice shower. Great for washing off the salt. Let's get back to sailing.
Hello.
Hello.
Having fun?
Yeah. Just jumping.
We're about 30 miles offshore here. Not too far, but it's good enough to get some solid wind and current to help us along the way. Have you ever been here? If not, don't worry. We'll take you for the ride. We are on day 3 from our passage from Florida Georgia line to Maryland. We decided to pull in the ICW today because there was like no wind out there on the ocean, or it was right on the bow, so we weren't able to sail. We were motoring the whole way. We had to come in for diesel anyways because we had used a lot of our diesel up. I think we're at quarter tanks. We wouldn't be able to get the rest of the way around Cape Hatteras with that, so we had to come in. And we figured, okay, well, we're a little bored out there, so maybe we'll come in and take the ICW the rest of the way and get some excitement. Excitement? Yeah, just in time for that to happen. We're just minding our business, looking for an anchorage, and then...
I hope the anchor holds.
I don't know.
Dude, we came in, this huge storm was happening. And we kind of were like, I don't know. It was kind of lingering, so we were supposed to anchor up here, and then we came back down because it looked like it was going to go like this, and it just, as you can see, it just took off after us. Boom, right there. So we came into this anchorage, and seriously, we were going like 7 knots. I put the left engine in reverse, the thing just, and Britain dropped the anchor. We got it all out, back down, and it hit. Winds jumped up to like 27 knots. Right now they're only at 13. Thing is, we did such a burnout maneuver, we don't know if the anchor's really set that well, and we don't know how much is out. She just had to push, so hopefully we have enough, row it out, and it holds. So what I'm doing now is have the engines running just in case it doesn't hold, so I can, like ease. And I'm monitoring our anchor alarm, which shows where I dropped it, where we dropped the anchor, and then you can see we came back and then we spun a little bit here. But I don't know, it can rain all at once. I just don't want anything to do with lightning, which is happening, and the wind needs to stay low. So I'm just watching this. This right here, it's hard to tell if you're dragging because this will show you have 0.1 to 0.5 speed over ground, but you don't know if that's straight back or if it's side to side. So it might look like you're moving because it says you're moving at half a knot, but really you're moving sideways or spinning. So, but your anchor alarm shows right now I'm at 91 meters away from the anchor. So as long as you don't start backing away, then it should be good. I don't like to run the diesels without being like the propeller spinning. You never do, because you want to keep diesels under load, but in this case, I'm just going to leave it running.
I just want to play in my bikini.
Yeah, the dog was freaking out.
Jeez, I went from like hot little bikini to this.
I know.
Oh yeah. Let me know when I can play.
Yeah, well, right now, it doesn't look very fun. Actually, it could be fun if it wasn't like lightning and stuff.
Are you serious? You go right back here.
Yeah. Go for it. You can do it if you want.
Oh yeah, I'll do it. I've been hoping for this moment. I'm all
I'm gonna
excited.
take her headset off. Really not that bad. It's a nice little rain.
Yeah.
You're funny. You see lightning, run. Actually, just dive into the water. You'll be okay.
Yeah, that's the last place I'm gonna dive. Whew. All right. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos. Moments like this that you'll remember. Probably set itself with the. Oh, there's another one coming.
During a storm, you should put stuff in your microwave. How's your pill assortment? Want to slap a sticker on? Go for it.
Slapping a sticker on. Not that it's fixed, but we have tried. I have an hour left on my watch.
Got an Uber to get some groceries and we saw this cute little bar to stop at.
I thought I saw you coming, so I flipped it on.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you, baby.
You ready for this? I know.
We're passing Billy Joel's estate. Get that bird.
If it lets loose, it's gonna probably plummet into our boat.
They were under the bow already. I'm gonna turn north and probably put out the head sail.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.